go. Let's do the best stocks in the market list according to Josh Brown. IBM is number one. It is hitting a record intraday high following earnings today. Mentioned it last week, I think, as being on your list. What is your take today?
Look, IBM has completely transformed its business. It popped onto the list a short while ago. Obviously, you're not chasing the stock after today's huge move, but I think it deserves to stay on your radar because it's in the new sweet spot of the market, which is AI, but from an IT and services perspective. We actually brought a guest on the show, Dan Dolev, last summer, Scott, if you remember, from Mizuho, who laid out the case for why you need to follow the IT stocks. They are at the crux of where this AI thing, where the rubber's actually going to meet the road for business customers. All of these stocks are on fire. I got a bunch of them on the best stocks in the market list. Do you want to go through them one by one?
Let's do that. Gartner.
Okay. Yeah.
Tell me about Gartner.
Ticker symbol is IT. I mean, can it be more on the nose? Look, did you know that of the $100 million in revenue plus companies in the United States, 88% of them are not publicly traded, which means you've only ever heard of 12% of them because they have ticker symbols. The nation is filled with companies that are huge and going to spend tons of money on AI, and companies like Gartner are in position to help. The ticker is IT. It's the right place to be in the market, and this is one of the market leaders. And if you pull the chart back, I know we're doing intraday here, you can see this is obviously a stock that's on the verge of breaking out above those old highs.
Okay, thank you for that one. Cognizant is the next.
Yeah. CTSH, although they spell Cognizant with a Z, which is sort of off-putting for me, but we'll get past it. Up 11% below the all-time highs, 71 RSI, so slightly overbought. Big rally, 52-week high as we speak, but it's a 16 forward PE. Of the 5 names I'm talking about today, it's the cheapest of those 5, looking for 7% earnings per share growth, and I'm betting the estimates will be going up based on all of this IT spend. Same story as IT.
Accenture.
Same thing, the third IT name on the list. Accenture is perhaps the largest of them all. ACN is the ticker. Pull that chart back. Here's a name that is breaking out. It looks unstoppable to me if it can get above 390. There's really no resistance there. And again, AI contracts with small and large businesses as far as the eye can see. Companies don't know how to implement LLMs. They need to pay Accenture to come in and help them do it. And that's the bull market that doesn't go away, DeepSeek or otherwise.
Okay, Cloudflare.
This is a cloud data play, similar to Snowflake, but does not have a habit of blowing up every other time it reports earnings. So that's obviously a plus. This is a stock that still hasn't fully recovered from the bear market of 2022, 37% below those all-time highs, but looks like it wants to continue to rally. Stock has been absolutely ripping this past week, up 10%, up 23% last month, 62% in the last 12 months, and I still think it's being discovered. Most people don't know what this company does, and if you're a new long, that's your advantage.
GoDaddy.
Okay, back to the Super Bowl for the first time in 8 years. We're getting a GoDaddy commercial. Walton Goggins is going to be playing a small business owner trying to sell goggles, get it, using GoDaddy's new AI product for small business, AIRO. I think it's pronounced Aero. Anyway, GoDaddy's at 24 times price to free cash flow, so not cheap, but it's less than 1% below all-time highs. This is AI. And if you look at the last few earnings reports, they have absolutely blown estimates out of the water. That's why this name is working. And if they become the go-to AI provider to small business, all the people that buy their domains and manage their web properties through GoDaddy, that's a really big business, and most people aren't giving them credit yet for getting in there.
Okay, good stuff. Additions to the list, as we try and do on most Thursdays.